myself and I don't think we're in a state to be in a relationship this year.
You know, get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, they want telling me good
welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Besties. I hope you enjoy this and I hope you do subscribe to become a part of the family. And if you're a returning stubby, if you are a returning baby, hot puppy. Today is the 31st of December. Today is the last day of 2023. Like, I can't wait to enter next year. I can't wait. But on a serious note, I can't wait to enter next year. Like, I'm so done with 2023. This year was not bad, but it wasn't good either. Like, it was just 2020. So we're hoping that 2024 will be better. This vlog is just end 2023 with me, begin 2024 with me. Like, we're doing this together. So those of you that are not going to church, we are doing it together. I'm going to bring church to you. We're going to do crossover in church. See you guys later. I'm just going to like get ready for crossover because I have to put one or two together. Sorry, a car is passing, so sorry for the background noise. I'm just going to put one or two together too for the crossover service so that I'll be fully ready to enter for later, guys, because I have loads of things to do. Okay.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
in the meantime.
I can stop doing what I want.
Need some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
In the meantime.
I can stop doing what I want.
Need some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror.
Holy Spirit, come and take preeminence in Jesus' name.
Please and please respect the God that
Have had me.
This one I bet you the jabata. Me, I no get time, the da. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, we do it, da. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do my way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want chop life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know we die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon.
New Year. What do you love to do? For New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year.
Oh, I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original.
Finally, we are in 2024. Like we're in another year. We're in a new year. It's a new year. It's a new era. It's a new time, and I'm sure everyone does not want to like go through what they went through in 2023 in this new year. Let me bring you guys closer. As I said before, 2023 was not bad, but it wasn't good either. It was just in between, and it left us feeling incomplete. So we're hoping that this year it will be a lot better. But the only way this year will be a lot better than last year is if we like make good choices this year. If we make better choices than we did last year. As for me, I always write my New Year's resolution at the beginning of every year. Things I want to do, things I want to change, things I want to like imbibe in my daily routine. And this is the perfect time to be that girl. 2024. To those of you that haven't written yours, or to those of you that haven't decided what you want to do this year, or to those of you that don't even know what New Year's resolution is, these are a few points of mine, a few points out of my own resolutions that I think will be beneficial to you this year. Now, first and foremost, I believe I started this last year, and I am hoping to improve more on it this year, and that is loving myself more, showing myself great care, like practicing self-love to the optimum level this year. Going on more solo dates, having more personal time, exercising, eating right, meditating, and also mind cleansing. These are what I plan to improve on. These are what I plan to start doing more in this year. Like they say, no one can love you better than you. Now the second point in my resolution is being consistent in posting on my socials. I have I think up to 4 or 5 different social accounts that I am actively on, and consistency is one of the skills that I lack seriously. So I plan on improving on that this year and upping my game on all of my social accounts. For example, now on YouTube, I plan on hitting 1,000 subscribers at least in the next 4 months. This is one of the targets in my target list. Like I have a New Year's resolution list and I have a target list. Now this target list is what I hope to accomplish in this year, in a given time frame, in a given period of time. Like now, me saying I want to get 1,000 subscribers in the next 4 months. That is my target. In the next 4 months, I want to be able to get 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. The third point I have is no more faking this year. No more fake friends, no more hypocrisy, no more pretending. I left all that in 2023. In this 2024, we are going to be more confident and more direct. We're going to be more strict in our daily dealings. I'm going to be fishing out those friends that I feel are not helping me. They are not helping my life. They are not helping me in my goals or in what I want to achieve. Or those that are just not helping me in my life. I'm going to be fishing them out, and I'm going to come directly and be like, this year, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to do. If you're not for me, then let's go out separate ways. Of course, we can still be like, hi, hey, like we can still be between each other, can be acquaintances or can be friends. Like, I want to draw a line between acquaintances and friends, and I believe doing that will really clear the air between who is my friend and who is not. The fourth point is I want to take my businesses very seriously this year. Last year I hit a wall and I just kind of like dropped everything. I just left everything the way it was. I did not market, I did not sell, I did not do anything. I just dropped it and looked the other way because I felt I wasn't doing things right, I wasn't doing things well. But this year I've sat down and I have thought about everything. I've arranged myself what I want to do, how I want to do it. So I'll be coming back stronger this year in my business. So that's another point. I want to take them seriously this year and I want to make a really great impact. Like I want to make an impact on people with my work. The next point is taking my spiritual life very seriously this year. This is a very sensitive topic for me because one thing about me is that when I hit a wall, I just drop everything. I just close up. I just walk off. I start feeling like it's not worth it. I'm not doing enough. It's not good enough, and I just like drop everything. I just leave it the way it is, and that's what I did last year of my spiritual life. I hit the wall, and I was just like, what's the use? If I am stressing this way and this is still happening, what's the use? And I just kind of dropped everything. I forgot about everything. But this year is going to be different because I believe if I had faith that it was going to work out, I would not have dropped everything. So this year I'm going to be taking my spiritual life seriously. Another point is refining and redefining my space. This point is similar to I think the third or the fourth one. I think the third, when I said no more faith this year. Like I want to create boundaries. This is one of my problems. I don't know how to create boundaries, and I also don't know how to respect boundaries. So that is going to change this year. That is definitely going to change this year because there was a lot of see finish last year, and it was not people's fault. It was my fault because first of all, I did not set boundaries with them, and secondly, the boundaries they set, I did not respect it. So everything just kind of like tumbled and I fumbled and everything. But this year we're going to be setting strict boundaries. We're going to be setting clear, obvious, visible boundaries. And another thing about redefining my space is that a lot of things are going to be dropped, a lot of people are going to be dropped, a lot of habits, a lot of behaviors, a lot of patterns, they are going to be dropped. And I kind of want to see how that goes because it will take a whole lot of self-control, tolerance, and everything to be able to pull that off. Another point is relationships and everything in between. And I'm not against faith, I'm not against life, I'm not against destiny or whatever you guys call it. I'm not against that. Whatever happens, happens. But as for me, myself and I don't think we're in a state to be in a relationship this year. Like relationships, situationships, friends with benefits, and all others, anyone that is out there, none of it this year. I'm going to focus on my healing, on my maturing before I decide to go into a relationship. But as I said, I'm not against fate, I'm not against destiny, I'm not against whatever you guys call it or whatever is out there. I'm not against it. But as for me, we ain't doing that. not this year. And last but not the least on my resolution list is start saving. I want to start saving. Like, my financial life is in crisis, guys. It's in deep crisis. I spend on unnecessary things. Like, I spend more on my wants and on my needs, and that has put me in a very tight corner, a very tight one. But things are going to change this year. Things are going to change because I'm going to start saving. And whenever I go grocery shopping, I'm going to have a list. That is another thing. I don't take a list with me whenever I go grocery shopping. I just be like, okay, if I see something that I like, I'll just pick it. And that has put me in trouble. In serious trouble. My financial life is in crisis. So this year we're going to be managing our finances, we're going to be on a budget, and we're going to be saving constantly. So help me God. So help me God. So help me God. Now I have shared my resolution list with you guys. I won't be able to share my target list with you guys because that is my personal take. But just set your own list, what you want to achieve, and give yourself a time frame. That's what target is. Give yourself a time frame. Don't say I want to have, let's use YouTube as an example again, I want to have 1,000 subscribers this year. That is so broad, that is so random, that is not specific. So give yourself a target, give yourself a time frame to achieve that target. That is how you know you're making progress. So fortunately or unfortunately, this is where we'll be ending the video. Happy New Year, guys, once again. I believe I've said that a million times, but Happy New Year! I hope you and your family had a great time on the first. Well, my family did. You guys saw it. Everything we did. Yeah. So I'll be resuming back to school, I think, on Sunday. I don't know if I'm starting a vlog that day, but it will mostly cleaning. It will be a cleaning vlog. So I don't know if I'll be doing that, but I'll be resuming school on Sundays. I am not happy to go back to school, but I'm happy to go back to my house. But I'm not happy to go back to school. So guys, till the next vlog, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, tell a friend to watch my videos, and I hope this helped. If this helped, just leave a comment. If this video helped you, just leave a comment down below because it encourages me. Just leave a comment down below. Bye.